This drone can shoot high-resolution 4K photos and 2.9K videos with ease. It has easy-to-use controls, plenty of flying aids, GPS hold, follow me mode, and is available with 2 batteries. In this price range, this is one of the best drones for beginners, kids, and hobbyists. This quadcopter from RUKO will catch your attention with its compact and durable design. But you'll be in for a great surprise upon exploring it further when you The RUKO F11 quadcopter offers drone enthusiasts 30 minutes of playtime on a full charge. However, testing it in real-world conditions reveals that the drone will fly for about 26 minutes, which remains among the best times in the industry. A spare battery is included when you purchase the drone, which leaves you with an unprecedented 1 hour of playtime. The long flight time can be credited to the 2500 mAh intelligent batteries that it uses. The modular battery further features a built-in charge level indicator that keeps you updated on the remaining charge. Control range. The drone offers a maximum 1.2 km control range when using a transmitter. However, with the live video transmission, the range drops to just under 500 meters, enough for you to record far-to-reach landscapes. The quadcopter uses powerful brushless motors that help to keep it steady in windy and obstacle-ridden conditions. The drone can fly at a maximum speed of 26.8 miles per hour. The brushless motors reduce overheating, enabling you to enjoy non-stop flying entertainment when the drone takes flight. The drone comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera that allows you to capture footage at high resolution. The camera shoots 2.7K videos and stills at up to 8.3 MP, making for very detailed images. It also has a 120-degree field of view, which enhances the extent of details in your footage. Having said that, the F11 Pro doesn't perform well when it comes to color reproduction. This is one area it lags behind quadcopter models like the DJI Mavic Mini and Dare. Another shortcoming is that the camera doesn't have a gimbal stabilizer, which might cause your footage to be a little bit shaky. On the bright side, you get a 90-degree adjustable motion range to change perspectives. Thanks to a microSD card slot on the camera, you can slide a 128GB SD card to create more storage space for your files. The RUKO F11 Pro is a good camera drone for content creation, however, it may not be enough to offer you the professional-level pictures and videos you're looking for. Flight experience. Overall, the RUKO is a joy to fly. Although minute in stature, this drone feels heavier than it looks. It has a sturdy frame that helps to keep it stable in a light wind. The transmitter is comfortable in hand and comes with ergonomic joysticks for controlling the drone. The drone features high-quality aluminum construction that gives it superior durability, as well as protection against possible mid-air impacts. The controls have been clearly laid out to make piloting the quadcopter easy even for novice enthusiasts. This simplicity is reinforced by the GPS-assisted intelligent flight function with the orbit mode, follow me mode, and custom flight path mode. The 2500 mAh batteries make for a very long playtime, which should be enough to record the footage you want for your home videos or even a video documentary. The GPS module simplifies the process of recording quality videos. This drone features several intelligent flight functions that not only make flying easy but also exciting. Functions like headless mode, one-key landing, takeoff, return to home, as well as follow me mode make for an exciting piloting experience. The compact controller fits snugly in your palms and comes with easy-to-use controls that make flying the drone suitable for beginners who are still learning the ins and outs of drone piloting. The 4K UHD camera can record high-resolution videos and shoot clear stills that you can use for your social media selfies. The gesture control feature particularly makes taking photos with this drone extra exciting. Overall, the RUKO F11. Considering the price tag on this drone, you get a great bang for the buck. The RUKO F11 is a great quadcopter choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable drone. It is easy to use and comes with high-end features that will impress both experienced drone pilots and amateur hobbyists. If you have around $300 to spend on a functional quadcopter, this is the drone for you. I doubt you'll regret your decision. Consumer drone manufacturers are working around the clock to produce quadcopters that maximize flight time without compromising on other features. The RUKO F11 is a good example of what the future holds as far as portable consumer drone making is concerned. It is compact, agile in the air, and offers an incredibly long flight time. Not to mention that you get a wealth of advanced features in a drone that will cost you significantly less than your iPhone. I would highly recommend this drone to anyone who wants great value for their money. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell if you like my video.